Macy tidies up. Macy is cleaning her house today. Ding dong. Oh, who can that be? It's Charlie. Come in, Charlie. You're just in time to help Macy tidy up. Charlie can smell something delicious. What's that in the kitchen, Macy? Lots of yummy cakes. Oh dear, the floor is still wet. You'll have to wait until it's dry, Charlie. Will has waiting. Charlie tidies up all the toys, and Macy vacuums the sitting room. Then Charlie cleaning the windows from the inside. Macy cleans from the outside. That looks better. At last, the kitchen floor is dry now. Macy and Charlie can have some cake. Hooray! Well done, Macy. Well done, Charlie. Enjoy your cake. Macy tidies up. Bye. See you again, guys.